Begin by preparing your workspace with the necessary tools, a precision screwdriver set, anti-static gloves, and containers for sorting screws and parts. Show stock footage of hands laying out these tools on a clean surface, with clear on-screen labels for each item. As you begin to open the PS3, use close-ups to demonstrate unscrewing each screw, overlaying step numbers and tool names for clarity. Maintain a calm, educational AI voiceover guiding viewers through the process. Carefully lift off the outer shell, separating the casing from internal components. Use labeled overlays to identify and remove the hard drive, disk drive, and cooling fan. Close-up shots focus on the correct tool angles and hand positions, ensuring each part is unscrewed and set aside systematically. Show hands placing each part into organized containers, emphasizing the importance of keeping screws and components sorted for maximum resale value. Next, access the main circuit board by removing additional screws and connectors. Use stock footage of close-ups on circuit boards, highlighting valuable components like RAM, processors, and copper heatsinks. Each component is clearly labeled on-screen, and the AI voiceover briefly explains their potential profit value. Show footage of gently prying out aluminum and copper pieces, taking care not to damage them during removal. Finally, display the separated parts, plastic shell, metals, drives, and circuit boards, arranged on a table with clear overlays indicating their material type and estimated resale value. Close with clips of e-waste yards and raw metals, reinforcing the environmental and financial benefits of proper electronics recycling. The calm narration encourages viewers to research local buyers for e-waste and highlights responsible disposal practices for non-sellable parts. Calm AI voiceover begins. Welcome to our step-by-step guide on scrapping a PlayStation 3 for profit. In this video, we'll walk you through identifying valuable parts, removing them safely, and sorting materials for resale. Watch as hands carefully open the PS3 using screwdrivers and common tools, with clear labels highlighting each component. First, power down and unplug the console. Remove the outer casing by unscrewing the visible fasteners. With the shell off, locate the hard drive, optical drive, motherboard, and power supply. Each valuable part is labeled on screen for easy identification. Handle circuit boards gently to avoid damage. Next, begin the removal process. Use the correct screwdriver for each component, and place removed screws in a labeled tray. Separate the hard drive, RAM, and cooling fan. Pay special attention to the copper and aluminum heatsinks attached to the motherboard. These metals fetch a good price at recycling centers. Finally, sort all parts into categories: reusable electronics, precious metals, and recyclable plastics. Compare your sorted components with footage of e-waste yards and buyers' listings to estimate their value. By organizing your PS3 parts efficiently, you maximize your profit and help reduce electronic waste. Thank you for watching, and happy scrapping!